So, what is up nga na naman? It's your boy 2B back at it again para maglaro ng Poppy Playtime Chapter 2. Ito ay isang horror game. Come on man. Tama hindi nakakaalam na lago ko na yung Chapter 1 nito. Pakibakagid na lang ay ano backdoor. Anyway, simulan na natin. Zit! Okay, nice oh. Play. Oh my god, boy nga yung kamay. Nagtitwitch man. Okay. Nice oh, nagtitwitch yung kamay. Nice. How do we do this? Chapter 2, Fly in a Web. With Poppy now free, the situation begins to change rapidly. While you search for any way to escape the factory. What the fuck? Magkagay mo man. Hold any button to skip. Ayoko. Ito. Ano? What the fuck?
With Playtime Co.'s new patented elastic plastic, you can stretch, pull, and twist Mommy Longlegs in the craziest ways.
What
She
the
loves watching you play. When
Ain't
you're
no
having
way.
fun, she's having fun.
Nope, ayoko.
The new Mommy Longlegs from Playtime Co.
Ano? Wake up, wait
What's
lang.
the time?
Ano yan? Okay, tumatakbo. Uy, gagi, ano yan? Stacking soldier meme? Oh. Okay, nagsasalita siya. Poppy Playtime, Chapter 2. Oh, okay, yung Chapter 1 nga pala, may nagsalita dito ngayon, wala na. I guess we're okay. Okay, the room. Oops. Bahay. Uy! Ah! Unan! Ang sarap na matulog, man. Okay. Ito ba? Oh, shit. Hindi, lalabas na naman tayo. Gusto ko na lang matulog eh. Okay, ano to? Bay 9. Nope. Paano yan? Ano daw? Wala ka dyan, ayoko. Okay, sarado. Bakit may dugo yung laruan na yan?
Keep going.
What? Don't tell me what to do, man. Lang. Ano to? Ano yan? Wait. Ay! Oh shit! Kala mo tutumba ka. Okay. Nope. Ayoko na. That's enough, man. Ito. Uy! Okay, may saucy. Okay. Let's go. Go ko dun yun sa... Oh! Hey! Okay, nice. So... Okay. Ano to? Uy, sunflower. Plants vs. Zombies. Ano kuha? Pick up Daisy. Ay, si Poppy. Candy Cat. Ang mga drawing ng bata, man. Okay, nice, oh. Okay.
Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. I was just trying to get the power back on.
Shut the f***.
Here.
Okay, paano to? Okay, insistent ka na eh. Okay. And... Oh, ano yun? What the f***? Okay. Pumalakpak siya. What the heck?
Thank you for freeing me. I was stuck in there for so long. Thank you. I'd like to pay you back.
Nope. Kahit hindi na.
There's a train station nearby. It
What?
needs a code.
Bakit may train dito?
We're gonna get out of here.
Okay.
As soon as you get on up here.
Ah, okay.
Come on.
Ito na. Gamag ka pa eh. Bunny hop.
Hey,
Oh.
I'm up here.
Alam ko.
I should be able to follow you through the fence. This way.
Okay. Hindi ako kasya dyan, you stupid. Okay. Sana. Ah, ito. Okay, taga. I'm calling for that, man. Okay, ito. Ah! Oh! Tarzan. Ano to? Sakado? Ano nagaham? Uy! A Bazzy B, that's me. That's me, man. That's me. Oh, dito ka sa akin. Siya isama. Eto, dito. Oh.
Listen, I'm going to need you to trust me.
Oh! Say that again, man. I didn't hear you. Come here. Eh, no way. Pupunta tayo dun. Oh, shit, pupunta nga naman. Okay. Saan na? Okay, ito na. So, yun ang hila sa kanya. Power. Okay.
A few moments later.
Ah, never mind.
One eternity later.
Okay, nice oh. Mission accomplished. Oy, nasa na yan? Bakit game station pangalan dyan, man? Ano to? Game station, okay? Okay. No, give me back my handband.
So, nice.
Shut up.
Exciting, Poppy. Very exciting, Mommy. Mommy heard that Miss Poppy was going to just give you the train code to escape. Now, how is that fun? Instead, why don't we make a game out of it? The game station is still working. It will be just like old times.
Ayoko.
And if you win all 3 games, I'll give you the train code. Mommy loves that idea, Poppy. Oh, you're going to have so much fun. Head to musical memory, and Mommy will get things started. Obey the rules, or I'll tear you apart and eat your insides while you're still alive.
Shit. Okay. Saan ako? Ah, doon? So, ako na bumalik, man. Kakainin niya ang laman loob ko, man. Welcome to playtime. Uy, gagi. Nope. Ayoko, wag na. Okay.
Hi, kids. Welcome to the game. Station. I'm Stella, and we've got 3 super duper fun games to play. These little tests show us just how crazy strong and smart you are. Follow Mommy Longlegs down the stairs, and we'll start by playing musical memory. See you in a bit.
Okay. Ayoko. Shit, ayun nga. Okay, wala eh. Susundan natin yung lako, man. Ito.
I know when your birthday is. June 28th.
Nope, May 24 ako, man. Okay. Ano yan? Grabe namang sound effects kasi yan. Okay, ito. What? Uy, ano to? VHS tape. Okay, mamaya. Okay, naging bola. What the heck? Okay, ito. Ayusin natin. Okay, that should be it. Kaching. Ah, na. Uy, gagi. Ano yun? Kamay? Ano meron sa kamay? Yan. No paint in machine. Okay, maghanap tayo pentura. Ito na sa likod na to. Pintura, maghanap tayo pintura. Hello, pintura ba dyan? Ah, ito. Ito. Okay, pintura here. Wow. Okay, factoration. Okay, let's go. Let's bring it down, boys. Okay, okay. Do not enter. Exactly. Bakit ako nagja-jam? Okay, pintura. Ah. Grabe, slap that. Mamaya may lumabas doon, no? Okay, next. Ano na to? Okay, gagawin na kamay, man. Tapos, ano yan? Oh! Ah, meron. Meron doon. Ah, okay. Ako na si Electricimo. Ewan, basta kalaban ni Spider-Man. Ah, wait. Oh, wait lang. May VHS tayo, di ba tama? Ito, VHS nga. Ah, bagay. Yeah. Green hand. Shoot, green. Power outlet. Okay. 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, the charge runs out. Okay. So, paano nga gagawin dito?
1 eternity later.
Ah, ito. Kakagatin na ako eh. Okay, hindi dito. Oh, shit. Hindi ko to gusto yung scene na to. Kasi chapter 1. Yep. Baka may mga habol dito. Ganto yung may nangahabol nun eh. Okay, wala naman. Good. Ito. Ayan, ang dumi. Uy.
Welcome to Musical Memory. This
Okay, ito
advanced
na.
memory and cognitive recognition test is designed to stimulate several segments of the brain, allowing us to see how quickly and efficiently your brain works.
Okay.
A sequence of colors will be shown, and you must recreate the exact sequence using the buttons around you.
Okay.
Bunzo will slowly lower towards you. When you complete a color pattern correctly, Bunzo will rise back up.
What?
When you input a pattern
Holy shit.
incorrectly, Bunzo will lower towards you faster. If Bunzo reaches you, your test is over. The test will become more difficult as it continues, with
Okay.
longer patterns in quicker succession. That's all. Good luck.
Okay. Ayun yung ano na yun.
Oh, isn't it amazing?
Doggy.
Mommy hasn't seen the place up and running in years. Mommy can only imagine how excited Bunzo must be.
Nope.
It's
Ay,
been
gagi.
such a long time.
No, 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 no,
Been
man.
able to play, to cheer.
Doon ka, man.
That's the dinner bell. Good luck.
Doon ka, man. Okay, ito nga yun. Blue. Blue.
Red.
Red.
Blue. Red.
Blue, red.
Blue. Red. Red.
Blue, red. Red.
Blue. Red. Red. Blue.
Blue, red. Red. Blue. Okay.
Blue. Red. Red. Blue. Yellow.
Blue, red. Red. Blue. Yellow. Ano?
Round 2.
What? Round 2!
Yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow. Red.
Yellow, red.
Yellow. Red. Red.
Yellow, red, red.
Yellow. Red. Red. Red.
Yellow, red, red, red.
Yellow. Red. 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 Yellow.
Yellow, red, red, red. Yellow.
Yellow. Red. 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 Yellow. Violet.
Yellow, red, 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 red. Yellow. Saan yung violet, man? Oh, shit. Putek na yan.
Round
Visit
3.
ka. Ano round 3?
Red.
Red.
Red. White.
Red. White.
Red. White. Blue.
Red. White. Blue. Okay.
Red. White. Blue. Red.
Red. White. Blue. Red.
Red. White. Blue. Red. Blue.
Red. White. Red. Oh, ano?
Red. White. Blue. Red. Blue.
Red. White. Blue. Red. Blue. Okay.
Red. White. Blue. Red. Blue. Orange.
Red. White. Blue. Red. Or orange.
Red. White. Blue. Red. Blue. Orange.
Red. White. Blue. Red. Red. Orange!
Red.
Orange!
White,
Oh my god, wait
blue,
lang.
Red. Blue. Orange.
The f... Oh my god, balik tayo level 1. Orange. Okay, ito pala orange.
Orange. Green.
Orange, green. Okay.
Orange. Green. Yellow.
Orange, green, yellow.
Orange. Green. Yellow. White.
Orange, green, yellow, white.
Orange. Green. Yellow. White. Orange.
Orange, green, orange, yellow, orange. Oh my god, bilis.
Round 4.
Round 4! Ano ba?
Blue.
Blue.
Blue. J.
Blue. Anong J? Okay.
Blue. J. Heart.
Blue. J. Saan yung heart? What the heck?
Blue. J. Heart. Blue.
Blue. J. Heart. Blue. Okay, nice one.
Blue J heart blue pie.
Blue. J. Heart. Blue. Ba't may pie dito? Oh my
J
god.
heart blue pie white.
Blue. J. Heart. Blue. Pie. White. Wait lang. Okay. Ano to?
Red pie.
White.
Fan red heart red tangerine pie massacre red question pie white heart organ violet.
Oh, hell no, man. I'm dead.
Snow black blue pie organ shadow.
Okay. Buisit na. Ano, papatayin mo ako? Madaya ka.
It broke. That's no fun. For doing such a splendid job, Mommy has decided to give you part of the code for the train. Look up.
Oh,
Take it.
Oh, okay. Pick up train code. Ano to? Ayan yung train code. Come on.
Mommy was hoping the game could last a little longer.
Nope.
It's okay though. Mommy knows other ways to play with you.
Nope, man. Ayoko, man. Oy! Madaya! Ano to? Ba't nasa ilalim ako? Ano ba yan? Okay, dito ako. Excuse me. Natanggal na kita. Excuse me. Oh shit. Natanggal na kita. Excuse me lang. Okay, ang sikip dito man. Wait. Okay, mukhang mababang tunnel to. Okay. Oy, dami laguan. Paano to? Oh, eto. Hanapin natin. Oh, wait lang. Okay. Wait lang dyan. Hanapin ko yung pwede mapag-anuhan nun. Dito? Ah, ayun nga! Oh my god! I'm genius! Ba't hindi siya gumalaw? Come on. Ah, yun. Yung sa gilid. Okay. Come here. Nasaan na ako? Hindi ko na alam. Oh shit. Huwag ka maano. Ah, pwede ko pala ma-move. Kahit walang Electros atay. Okay, nice. So, move this. Okay, here. Come on. Kung lang makatakas dito, man. Nice. Ah, mali. Okay, ayan. Ah, okay. Aalisin natin yung dinosaur. Ayan. Gogi, ang weirdo naman ng mata nun. Okay, then, kachig. Ah, okay. Nice. Oh. Alis. Gagawin ko? Hahaha, ako naman. Okay. Ako na. Saan dito? Dito? Ano to?
A few moments later.
Ah, hindi. Okay. Nice. So, hindi, aangat lang siya doon. Ano nagagawa na ito? Ah! Okay. Putik! Okay, paano ko nagawa yan? I don't know. Oh, wait! Takap ako, man! Shit! Ayan, natakap ako. Bitch. Okay, here we go. Again.
Here we go again.
To isang laro.
Whoa, you did fantastic! Who gave you permission to be this smart?
Wa,
Mommy is super proud of you.
thank you.
But I'm sure she's already told you that herself. Our next game is Waggo Wuggy. Head
Ano?
downstairs and have fun.
Okay, may chance ba tayong paluin si Huggy Wuggy?
This advanced test is designed to assess the extent of your reactionary abilities. A dual palm grab pack will be provided to you for this test. Around you are 18 sizable holes. An adorable
Okay.
Huggy Wuggy toy could appear out of any one of
Oh
these
my
holes.
God.
If one comes out, hit it with your grab pack. Good luck.
Okay, yun lang. Reaction time. Kailangan natin yung
The
360
toys
noscope.
in this game used to have strings attached to them so they could be pulled back when they got too close to the children. Have fun.
Nope. Okay. Puti ka dilim. Ayun. Doon ka. Saan pa? Ay, gagi! Oh, shit! Okay. Wagi-wagi na saan ka. Show yourself, man. Doon? Dumadami sila, man. Gogi! Dumadami sila! Oh my god! I can't. Locate, man. Focus. Ay! Putasan yun! Okay, kaya natin yan. Kaya natin. Kailangan natin ilapit yung mukha natin doon sa ano, monitor. Sige.
The toys in this game used to have strings attached to them so they could be pulled back when they got too close to the children. Have fun.
Okay. Technique natin siguro. Paano natin to te-technican? Lalapitan natin para maano sila. Saan yun? Oh my god, I can't. Tutok na ako sa camera. Ay, sa monitor. Oh my god, natapos ko! Oh my god, thank god!
You did it. Hooray! Mommy is so proud of you.
Plastic ka, sa kaulo ka. Ang hirap nun.
Mommy has another hint for you.
Ayan, nasaan na? Ah. Anong hint? Ah, okay, ito. Train code. Okay, nice. Oh. Hirap.
Only one game left to play.
At ano yan?
Sad. Mommy was hoping you'd stay here forever.
Nope.
Though, it's never too late to change your mind.
Okay, saan ako? Ito? Oops. Change of mind. Ayo, all. Change your mind. Oh, lol. Natakap ako. Okay, nice. Ano to? How do I get up there? Whoop! Ah, okay. Oh, parkour!
Parkour!
Ito. Pick up kissy-missy. Okay, ito. Ha! Ayun! Alas! Ah! Bumalik ulit. Ulit. Ibaba mo ako sa tamang babaan. Sabi sa tamang babaan. Ayun. Thank God. Ito. Meron dito. Dito? Hindi dyan. Dito? Yogi, sino to? Oh my God. Eh, no way. Ano to? Takbuhan na naman? Ah? Ito yung kissy-missy. Okay, yung pink na hagi-wagi. Yes, please. Pag-guess that. Mabait ka po ba? Okay. Saan na yan? Ito. Saan lalagay? Ito, dito. Oh shit. Aba, meron dito. Okay. Aangat yun. And then, babalik tayo dito. Dami ka-grab. Thank you. Okay, saan na yung VHS tape? Ayun. Wait lang. Jacksepticeye? O iba to?
Oh, not at all, sir.
What?
That's what I like to hear. So, Marcus, what happened?
You see, I was heading home for the day when my AFRs realized that I left me bloody wallet in the cafeteria. So I'm running through the lobby, and that's when I see it. A mop handle lodged under the innovation wing gate.
So what'd you do, Marcus?
Well, I just thought I'd nab the bloody yoke and be on me merry way.
And?
Well, I'm reaching for the thing, and the mop handle jolts on its own. Had me scared stiff. I thought I was the only one there. So I took a peek beneath the gate, and some massive bloody thing was doddering about the bloody hallway.
Thing? You're sure it wasn't a person?
Ain't no person that's 50 feet long with 1,000 legs.
Marcus, you're losing me.
Okay.
Maybe you just saw a bunch of people walking by.
Look, it wasn't people, alright? I haven't a bloody notion what it was, but it wasn't human.
Who have you told about this? Besides me, obviously.
Just you, sir. Obviously.
Okay.
Okay. I'll have security skim the cameras and take a look.
What? There's a massive bloody monster! Skimming ain't gonna get rid of it!
You're out of line, Marcus. We make toys, not monsters. Now come on, get out of my sight. Actually, grab me a coffee, will you? Actually, never mind. Get out of my sight.
What? Okay. Come on. Dalihan mo. Okay. Lalaglag ka namin dito. Push. Okay, ang lakas naman nun. Ano to? Oh shit. Hindi ko to gusto. Ah, okay. Ano yun? Kitabahan lang, okay.
Jeez, have you played these before? You're so good.
Hindi.
Seems like you're ready for the final game, statues. Follow mommy down the stairs one last time. I hope you had a fun day at the game station.
Eh, ano yun?
See you next time.
Ah, okay. Nagigilid. Ayun lang pala. Meron na dito. Meron dito. Wala, okay. Oh shit. Oh no. Okay, ulit. Oh no. Number 2 to eh. Ito isa number 1. Okay. Ano yun? Ah, hindi. Okay. Tama, lalabas na ako. Okay, nice. Meron dito. Ito. Playtime.
Welcome to Statues.
Okay.
This advanced obstacle course is designed to test your physical endurance and strength.
Okay.
The rules are simple. The lights will turn off. You can move through the obstacle course at this time.
Okay.
However, when the lights turn on, you can look around but cannot move. You may move again once the lights turn back off.
Okay.
The lovable PJ Pugapillar will follow you.
Hindi
If
yan
PJ
lovable.
reaches you, your test is over. That's all. Good luck.
Okay. Oh shit.
It was always so sad to see the kids go. They called me Mommy because I was the closest thing they ever had to
Oh
one.
my god.
But they'd come for games and never come back.
Okay.
They left Mommy to die alone. Mommy didn't deserve that. But you worked here. So if anyone deserves to die alone, it's you.
Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Shit. Oh, come on, man. Ayun na siya. Okay. I'm not moving, y'all. Wait lang. Tuloyan mo, please. My God. Easy. Doon tayo sa easy. Shit, I'm done, man. Ah! What the heck just happened? Ano yun? Okay, you can take it. Nope, I can't, man. My God. Okay, wait lang. Bilis niya, oh. Come on. Bilis niya, the heck? Feel ko dito ako dapat sa gilid eh. Madaya. Okay, thank God. Kasi hindi ko alam saan ako dadaan. Please, man. Saan ako pupunta? Doon. Malayo pa naman siya. Yes, thank God. Please! Oh! Ah, thank God! Ano? Nabol niya pa rin ako, come on. Ang gagawin dito? Ah, ito. Uy. Ano yun? Ba't nag-i-slow mo ka?
Where did you go? The game is over. Come back and Mommy will give you the code. Pinky promise.
Nope.
Mommy knows the game is really hard, but Mommy is just decided you won.
Nope. Man.
Caesars, the rules are so simple. You die. Mommy gets to watch.
Nope.
Come back to me.
Nope. I don't want to come back, man. Please! Nope, nope, nope. You cannot find me, man. Okay. Good. Ano yun? Biglang nag-lock yung mouse ko. Rotate to top 90 degrees. Rotate to bottom. Toy scanner. Okay, yun na. Ano yun? Ina-attack siya sa puso or what? Okay, please. Dito na. C4. Okay. Ano na to? Meron dito. Yung VHS. Okay. So, meron dito sa tunnel. Tapos, i-connect natin doon sa pangalawa. Ba't bumagal to? Bumagal nga. Yun! Ako! Saan na yan? Okay. Auto.
I asked you to play fair, and you cheated!
Wait lang!
Great cheaters! Now, we're going to play one last game! It's called Hide and Seek!
Shit.
10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
1. Okay, saan ako? I'm dead. Looks like I'm dead, man. Okay. Makakatakas tayo, man. Shit. Hindi ko to gusto. Okay. Follow me here, man. Ay, hagiwag eh. Holy shit. Mahulog talaga ako. Tapos, ito. Hindi ko magana emergency exit. Okay. What do we do? Okay. Stuff only. Ano to? Red. Yellow. Blue. Green. One red. Two blue. Three green. Red, blue. Red, blue, green. Red, blue, green, yellow. Okay. Meron na dito. Ay! Oh my god! No turning back, man. How? I'm hiding. Pwede na ba? Okay. Ang bilis niya. Mold na gear. Okay. May gear. Ano yung gear na yan? Dito? Where should I put that gear, man? Okay. Wala siya dyan, ha? So, let's go. Oh my god! Okay. So, saan tayo dadaan? It's not over. Oo, hindi. Shit. Saan ako neto? What the heck? Pwede naman na. Okay, tara. Visit ka. Ay! Uy, bilis! Oh my god! Let me up! Ah! Shit! Na. Ah! What the f- Oh, wait lang. Putek yan. Ang haba ng kamay, man. Oh shit. Please, 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 please. Oh! Gagi ka. What? Nahulog ako. Oh my god. So ayun, dito sa gameplay na to, nawala na yung mukha ko. Tuloy pa rin ang buhay. Okay, take it or leave it, man. Okay, nice. So, parkour. Okay. Ano naman to? Feel ko hindi dito din siya, walang yayan. Oh, gagi. Man, bilis. Ah. Wait lang. Oh, you can't touch me, man. Oh no, what have you done? You're chasing me, man. Yes, I can, man. Oh, nope. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Bye-bye. Uy, gagi, ano yun? May kamay na malaki. Okay. Let me out. Okay, nice. Nakatakas na tayo. At ngayon, dito na tayo. Ano naman to? Anong puzzle na naman to? Parkour! Okay, ayan na. Napatay na natin. Uy, pwede naman na tayo tumakas dyan, oh. Pwede lang, oh. Okay, saan na tayo? Okay, dito. Uy! Hello? Ah, train code.
Did you kill her? Good.
What?
I'll board the train. We need to leave.
Anong good doon? Okay. 3, 1, 2, 4. Press the button. 3, 1, 2, 4. Okay. Reset na yan. Train whistle. Okay. Okay na. Maandag na tayo, man. Okay, let's go, boys.
I was so scared she'd put me back in that case.
Okay.
But you saved me. You are perfect. Too perfect to lose.
What?
I'm sorry. I can't let you leave.
What?
I've never met anyone like you. Do you know I've been stuck in that case? Well, too so much time to think and reflect. Time to figure out exactly what I would do when free. We'll set things right. Terrible things have happened. But I know that whatever I need you to do, you're capable. We will. What if...
Ano na naman ginawa mo? Makakatakas na kasi yung tao eh. We're going to crash, man. Oh no. Ah, nangyari. Pull the lever, boys! Can pull the fucking lever. Oo nga, unsafe speeds, what the heck? Ayun na, stop the train. Oh no! Oh my god, anong ginawa mo? Okay, chapter 2, Fly in a Web.